Main Street Pub is just a locals hangout, but it's also for everybody else that comes to visit the wonderful historic town of Clifton, Virginia. Our menu is primarily pub food. We try to tailor it more like American, slightly Irish pub food. Before we used U.S. foods, it was just me making the menus using, I think, Adobe Illustrator, and it was not easy in any way, shape, or form.
Sean had so many problems dealing with his menu before, just evaluating what was going to be on there and what have you. And so showing him this menu design program was exactly what he needed.
After sitting down with us and Connie and everybody else that was helping me out, they were able to capture exactly what we were about here at the Main Street Pub. Our customers have responded amazingly to our new menu. They continually make remarks about how much they love the menus, how professional they look. Even new customers feel more comfortable coming in, seeing a professionally done menu. I would recommend it basically because of the ease of it and how everybody in the program seems to know exactly what they're doing.